Thanks.
That said, let's focus on the telecom space. We have a lot of them that are going to be in focus today. Bharti Airtel, Bharti Hexacom and IndusTowers. Reema joins us to help us with a quick run-through on the news piece on all these three. Reema?
Hi, good morning. So Bharti Airtel has delivered a good set of numbers. Consolidated revenues have come in ahead of expectations, but the big beat actually came in for Africa, Airtel Africa, which reported numbers last week. India too is slightly ahead of expectations. So the India mobile revenue went up by, say, 2.6%, which is higher than consensus expectations. So the India business continues to do well, and this entire premiumization, the benefit of moving 2G to 4G, 4G to 5G is helping their ARPUs despite no tariff hike, headline tariff increase. So even the average revenue per user ARPU went up to 256 versus about 250. Subscriber growth, though, was quite modest at 1.4 million on a quarter-on-quarter basis, lower than what Reliance Jio had clocked in. But that doesn't come in. I mean, that is not a negative surprise because we already had the TRAI data. Bharti Hexacom, the only disappointment in the numbers is the company lost subscribers in Q2 vis-a-vis Q1. So the overall subscriber base declined by 110,000. For IndusTowers, you should keep that on your radar, and actually Bharti Airtel also, because yesterday Bharti Airtel said that the board has given an in-principle approval to acquire an additional 5% stake in IndusTowers in one or more tranches. It's not a confirmed thing, but they have an in-principle enabling resolution to go ahead and acquire. Now, Bharti right now holds a 51% stake. If they buy an additional 5% in IndusTowers, it will entail an outgo of nearly 5,000 crores at the current market price. The question is this the best use of Bharti's capital at this juncture? The company's capex this year is lower than last year, so they're generating more free cash flow. So, when we speak to the analysts, it'll be interesting to know how, what they make of, Bharti spending incremental money on IndusTowers now, and what does that bring to the table? And instead, would they have rather preferred if Bharti Airtel was making, was perhaps increasing the dividend payout? There's a conference call also at 1 o'clock today. Back to you.
Reema, thank you very much. It's pretty comprehensive.